How to add highlights on Instagram without posting on story. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will learn how we can add highlights on Instagram without posting on story. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, launch the Instagram application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with your preferred account. Once you're on your home page, navigate to the bottom right corner and tap on your profile icon. From your profile page, tap on the three-line icon at the top right corner. Once you're on the settings and activity, scroll down a bit and under who can see your content section, tap on hide story and live. Under this page, again tap on the option right there. Now from here, you have to select all of your followers from this list, then tap on done at the top right corner. So once you have hidden your stories from all of your followers, now you can head back to your home page. Here, tap on add to story at the top left corner, and here you have to select the image that you would like to add on your Instagram highlight. For example, I have this image right here. Once you're here, navigate to the bottom right corner and tap on this white arrow icon. From here, tap on share button. Here, select add to highlights, and here you have to select the highlights where you want to add the image on. If you want to create new highlight, tap on plus and then add your picture in the new highlight. But for now, I will just continue with the already existing highlight. Then tap on done. Now, the image that you have selected will be added on your Instagram highlights, and if you open up your story, no one will be able to view your story since you have hidden the story from all of your followers. So this is the way to add highlights on Instagram without posting on story. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.